January 19th. Cold air and low level moisture are the dominant operational themes today, with the highest pilot attention required across the eastern half of the country for ceilings, visibility, and cold weather performance rather than organized convection. An expansive surface high and entrenched cold air mass are locking in widespread low stratus from the Great Lakes through the mid-Atlantic and into the southeast, producing areas of MVFR and pockets of IFR during the morning push at hubs in the northeast corridor, along the Great Lakes and notably Charlotte and Atlanta, with improvement slow and uneven as weak mixing struggles beneath the stable boundary layer. Downwind of the Great Lakes, shallow lake-enhanced snow showers or spotty freezing drizzle may briefly reduce visibility and contaminate surfaces, particularly along routes into northern Ohio, western New York, and northern Indiana, while gusty low-level flow over the cold surface layer supports light to occasionally moderate mechanical turbulence on approach and departure. Across the southeast, the air mass remains dry aloft but cold near the surface, favoring broken low clouds, patchy fog in sheltered areas, and freeze concerns inland, making today more about spacing, braking action awareness, and cold weather procedures than precipitation impacts. Through the Central Plains and Midwest, high pressure suppresses widespread precipitation but maintains extensive low ceilings and localized light snow or flurries, with shallow cold air increasing the risk of low-level wind shear near frontal remnants and terrain transitions. Out west, a broad ridge dominates with generally VFR conditions inland, but marine layers along the California coast and Pacific Northwest will bring morning MVFR to brief IFR ceilings around SFO, LAX, SAN, and SEA before lifting later in the day. Strong surface pressure gradients and cold air drainage across the Great Basin, Southern California passes, and the Front Range will generate gusty winds, mountain wave activity, and mechanical turbulence near terrain, particularly affecting operations into and out of DEN, SLC, and Desert Southwest corridors. Overall, today's national pattern favors cold, stable air, limited precipitation, and minimal convection, with the primary operational risks centered on low ceilings and visibility in the east. Lake-influenced restrictions in the Great Lakes, and wind-driven turbulence and sheer near terrain and coastal interfaces in the west